in calendar, the admin can set their own availability as well as the availability of other users. So how they can go about that is in the sidebar, there's a page called availability. The admin will click on this. Here in the top right, you can see that there are two buttons, change user and save. If the admin clicks on change user, a drop down would appear where all the users who are a part of this particular organization would appear. The admin can select any of the user. Once they've selected a user, they'll click on submit. That user would show up here. So now the admin can select the time, the date. Suppose this is the availability that the admin wants to set for this particular user, right? So once all of the details have been entered, the admin clicks on save, and for this particular user, the availability has been set. Similarly, for a different user, the admin can select a different user. If you can submit, this user would show up here, and then the admin can select the time slot. If they want to add an availability for a single day, suppose on Monday, this particular tutor would be available from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and then they want to add a different time slot. So on Monday only, for a different time slot, this user would again be available. So they can click on this add button. Once they do that, different time slots would appear. Now here, another time slot can be selected from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So on Monday, this tutor would be available from 10 a.m. till 11:30, then again from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Now, if the admin wants this time to be reflected across all the 3 days selected, they can just click on the copy icon that's there. Once they do that, for the rest of the days also that has been selected, this particular time slot would apply. Once the admin has done all the changes, they'll click on save. Then for this particular user, this availability has been set. In case the admin wants to look at the availability, what they can do is in calendar home, they can click on time block. They can select the user. Once they selected the user, you can see that the availability for this user is being shown in the highlighted state. So this is how admin sets the availability for any user.